make someone difficult to do something and make decision. And this will prevent the managers from thinking clearly about the problem they face. And here are some common barriers that often happens to the managers. The first one is the availability bias. And okay, the first one is the availability bias. This bias refers to an individual uses information that are readily available from memory or from anywhere else to make judgments. Of course, this availability information may not present a complete picture of a situation, and this information may be stopped by the news media. So this readily information is not that suitable to make for a manager to make decision. And the second barrier is the representativeness bias. This bias refers to the tendency to generalize from a small sample or a single event. This means that many managers think that something that happened before, they will happen again in the future. But in realistic is that the thing that happened previously is doesn't mean it will happen again for sure in future. Okay? And the third one is the anchoring and adjustment bias. This bias refers to an individual is being influenced by an initial figure. It means that the individual will make decision based on an initial piece of information only to make his judgment. An individual would not find any more information that is greater to make the judgment. And the fourth one is the framing bias. This bias refers to an individual is being influenced by the way a situation or problem is presented to them. This means that an individual will make decision based on just the frame that is presented in front of them. Then they will straight make a decision that they want. For example, a student is being late to a class, and the lecturer never asks for reason and straight make decision to punish the student just because the student is late.
Okay, go.
Decision making
making is a process of selecting a best choice from the alternative to overcome barriers. When trying to make a good decision, a manager must weigh a positive and negative of each options and consider all of the alternatives. Somehow, when facing the difficult situation, there are two types of response which are ineffective and effective response.
Rational decision-making is a multi-step process from problem identification through solution for making logically sound decisions. There are 4 steps in the rational decision-making. Step 1. Identify the problems or opportunity. As a manager, you will probably find no shortage of problems or difficulties that inhibit the achievement of goals. However, you will also find opportunity. Opportunities are situations that present probabilities for existing goals. Step 2. Think out alternative solution. After you have identified the problem or opportunity and diagnosed its causes, you need to come up with alternative solution. Step 3. Evaluate alternative and select solution.
I want to explain about non-rational decision making. Non-rational decision making is explain how managers make decisions. They assume that decision making is nearly always uncertain and risky, making it difficult for managers to make optimal decisions. Non-rational decision making have two. First, bounded rationality and satisficing model. Bounded rationality concept suggests that ability of decision maker to be rational is limited by numerous constraints. Satisficing model that is managers seek alternative until they find one that is satisfactory, not optimal. Second, the intuition model. Intuition is making choice without the use of conscious thought of or logical inference. From conclusion from this chapter, as a person who are in the managerial positions,